Oh.
Arey, just see na.
Let me read, yeah.
Forget what you're reading. Just look at that.
मेरा फोन दो.
नहीं मैं नहीं दूंगा.
फोन दो ना.
No way.
Please.
Leave.
please,
Forget your phone.
please. Hi, Anisha.
कहाँ हो?
घर पे?
Sareen wants to see you immediately.
अभी?
No questions, Meghna. Please go over right now.
Okay, I'll go. Bye.
Meghna, please come.
Oh, one sec. अनीशा ने कहा था और मुझे सडनली आना पड़ा वो भी आपसे मिलने ऑफिस में. मैं अपना पोर्टफोलियो लाई हूँ. सीडी भी है जस्ट इन केस वो आप देखना चाहें तो.
इसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है. शो स्टॉपर बनना चाहोगी? इट्स फॉर विनय खोसला. 4 दिन में शो है. यू थिंक यूल बी एबल टू डू इट?
विनय खोसला? Oh my God, you mean the Vinay Khosla?
That's right.
Yeah, of course. Thank you. Oh God.
For the first time, I don't have a single Bollywood star in the front row.
So sad.
आधे shows कर रहे हैं, half of them are abroad.
Yeah.
I just, hey, what's happening with the new girl? Ready है क्या?
Just 2 minutes. Just
No,
2
no,
minutes.
no, no, no. You go and check. Go, go.
I've got a very huge office.
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly take your seats. The show is about to begin.
Darling, gorgeous like Rio.
And you're biased.
No, Meghna. It goes over.
लेकिन यहाँ पे so much cooler है यार रोहित.
एकदम नई लड़की है. And a showstopper. Enhance your lips.
Okay,
Enhance your
Vinay,
lips,
okay.
okay? And
Okay.
I just hope she's good. I
Don't
just
worry.
hope. I'm so stressed. I'm so stressed. It's not funny.
Relax.
Serene's recommendation and all that. Anyway, I'll just. Where's Rohit?
It looks.
Where's
fine.
Rohit?
Chill.
No, Meghna, maybe you should, क्योंकि वो कह रहा था कि
रोहित.
What the? Who the hell has draped it like this? Huh?
So
It's
मैं-
supposed to go off the head now.
लेकिन-
Rohit, Duffer, you know how particular I am
Actually,
now.
उसकी गलती नहीं है. मैंने ही किया था.
You?
वो मैंने सोचा कि अगर
Hold
मैं-
it. तुमने सोचा, darling, you're a model. अकल इस्तेमाल करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, okay? Spare me the horror. Fix the damn thing, Rohit.
इतनी छोटी सी बात के लिए इतना रूड होने की क्या जरूरत थी?
What did you say? छोटी सी बात? Showstopper dress है ये. Do you understand that? पूरा मीडिया देखेगा, पूरा मीडिया. और बिक भी जाओगी ना तब भी आउटफिट नहीं खरीद सकती हो तुम. Alright? And listen, जो भी रिश्ता है तुम्हारा सरीन के साथ, I really don't care. I don't have to put up with the nonsense.
सरीन के साथ मेरा रिश्ता? You have no right to.
Oh
suggest
yeah? Really? I don't have a right in my show. Do you even know who I am? Vinay Khosla. And nobody talks to me like that. Rohit, tell Christina I'm replacing this girl right now. Change the whole damn thing. 4 लड़कियों को भेजो last में. Change the finale. I don't care. And you out of this outfit and leave. Out.
But sir,
What?
Nothing, sir.
Come on now, all of you. Get on with it.
come on back to work.
No wonder. We models are treated like hangers.
Okay, girls, listen, quickly listen. There's been a change, all right? I want the last 4 girls to end the sequence. The last 4 girls being Geeta, you, right?
But what about that young designer?
I don't know about her.
She seems good.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, there's a problem backstage. I think you should come.
Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yeah, sure.
What the hell? I got a whole show out here.
So I know, but
What's the problem, Vinay?
She's arrogant. What have I done? Ask him.
It's
Ask
okay.
him. Don't
Fine.
believe me.
All right.
Serene.
Meghna,
Rohit.
Meghna, the Kadas, we need them back.
I'm sorry.
I'm
sorry.
really sorry about this.
It's okay. उसने ऐसा सोच कैसे लिया कि मैं
Calm down, मेघना. गुस्से में लोग कुछ भी बोल देते हैं. और तुम ही अपने आप को कंट्रोल कर लेती.
तो क्या गलती मेरी थी? Do you even know what he said?
Listen, I know गलती तुम्हारी नहीं थी, okay? But he's a veteran designer और तुम एक नई मॉडल हो.
इसका मतलब वो जो चाहे कह ले. बड़ा डिजाइनर हुआ तो क्या हुआ? मैं भी कोई चीप मॉडल नहीं हूं.
Come on, I understand, मेघना.
You'd never understand.
एक बात बताओ अनीशा, सोनाली का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिन्यूअल के लिए कब आ रहा है?
अभी वक्त है. 5 months, I think. क्यों?
उसे टर्मिनेट कर दो राइट नाउ.
But, Sareen, हम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते.
क्यों नहीं? पनाश इज माई कंपनी. मैं जो चाहूं कर सकता हूं.
But, it's a contract. I mean, अभी एक्सपायर नहीं हुआ है.
सोनाली को पूरा कॉम्पनसेशन दे दो. इनफैक्ट गिव अ लिटिल मोर ताकि कोई कंप्लेंट्स ना हो.
But,
नो क्वेश्चंस, जस्ट डू इट.
और रीजन क्या बताऊं उसे?
कम ऑन अनीशा, यू आर स्मार्ट. तुम रीजन ढूंढ लोगी. आई एम श्योर.